Hey crypto enthusiasts, ready to buy your first cryptocurrency but not sure where to start? In this video, we will break down everything you need to know about choosing the best crypto exchange and guide you step by step on how to buy your first crypto. Stay tuned till the end for some important safety tips before you jump in. Step 1. What is a crypto exchange? Let's start with the basics. A crypto exchange is an online platform that allows you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Think of it as a marketplace, but instead of buying shoes or gadgets, you're buying digital currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Example, it's kind of like using Amazon, but instead of paying in dollars, you're paying in Bitcoin. And instead of products, you're trading digital coins. Step 2. Comparing top crypto exchanges. Binance versus Coinbase. Now that you know what an exchange is, let's compare two of the top platforms, Binance and Coinbase. Binance is known for offering a wide range of cryptocurrencies and low fees, making it ideal for those who want access to many altcoins. However, its interface might be a little overwhelming for beginners. Coinbase, on the other hand, is super beginner-friendly with a simple interface. It's great for people who are just getting started, but it charges higher fees than Binance. Example, think of Binance like a big supermarket where you can buy everything at low prices, but you might need a map to find what you need. Coinbase is like a small, easy-to-navigate store, but the prices are a little higher. Step 3. How to buy your first crypto, step by step. Alright, now let's walk through how to buy your first crypto. For this example, let's use Coinbase because it's beginner-friendly. 1. Create an account. Head over to Coinbase, sign up, and complete your verification process. 2. Add a payment method. You can connect your bank account, credit card, or even PayPal to buy crypto. 3. Choose your crypto. Once your account is ready, select which crypto you want to buy, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. 4. Place an order. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the fees, and click Buy. Example, it's as easy as shopping online. You select your product, in this case Bitcoin, choose how much you want, and confirm your order. That's it. Before we move on, if you're finding this guide helpful, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to 1 in a Million for more easy-to-follow crypto tips, and let me know in the comments what exchange you're thinking of using. Step 4. Pros and cons of crypto exchanges. Every exchange has its pros and cons, so let's quickly sum them up. Binance pros: wide selection of coins, low fees, and advanced tools for experienced traders. Binance cons: not the easiest platform for beginners and regulatory concerns in some countries. Coinbase pros: super beginner-friendly, easy to use, and trusted by millions worldwide. Coinbase cons: higher fees, especially for smaller transactions. Step 5. Safety tips before you invest. Now before you hit that buy button, here are some quick safety tips to keep in mind. 1. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. 2. Never share your private keys. Your private keys are like the password to your wallet. If someone gets access to them, they can take all your crypto. 3. Research before you invest. Always do your homework on any coin before you buy. Don't just follow the hype. Example, think of 2FA as locking your house with 2 doors instead of 1. It's just a little extra effort, but it can save you a lot of trouble. And that's it. Now you know how to choose the best exchange and buy your first cryptocurrency. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss a crypto tip. Drop a comment below with any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.